In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail background theme. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across to your Gmail and log into your account. Now once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see the gear icon for settings. Give that a click to open up this menu, and in here if you come down a bit you're going to see an option for themes. So what you want to do is click onto the view or link here. What you can then do is go ahead and change your background theme. You can see there's a few different ones on here. What you can also do is just change it to like a solid color, so you can scroll through these different ones, or you can even come down and click onto my photos or use any of the featured photos already on here. So let's say for example we wanted to change to this theme here. What you're going to want to do is click onto the background that you want to use and then click onto insert at the bottom, and then just come down and click save, and just like so you would have changed your background theme. So that is how to change your Gmail background theme. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.